Hey everyone! Welcome to this exciting video where I'm going to show you 5 powerful ways you can make money online with AI in 2025. AI is growing fast, and if you want to stay ahead and take advantage of this revolution, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you want more content on AI and online money-making strategies. Let's get started. 1. AI-powered freelancing. One of the easiest ways to start making money online with AI is by offering AI-powered freelancing services. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are full of opportunities for AI-based skills. You don't have to be a coder to get started. Here are some high-demand AI freelancing services. AI-generated content writing using tools like chatgpt and Jasper. AI voiceover services with tools like Eleven Labs and Murph. AI-based graphic design with Canva's AI and Midjourney. AI video editing using Runwaymail and Pictory. Businesses are looking for cost-effective AI solutions, and you can be the one to provide them while making a great income. 2. AI-driven affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income, and AI can make it easier than ever before. You can use AI tools to automate content creation, research trending products, and even optimize SEO for your website or blog. Here's how you can do it. Use AI-powered SEO tools like Surfer SEO to rank higher on Google. Automate blog writing with AI to create affiliate product reviews. Use AI chatbots on your website to increase conversions. Generate AI videos to promote products on YouTube and TikTok. With AI, you can make affiliate marketing much faster and more efficient. 3. Selling AI-generated digital products. Creating and selling digital products is another amazing way to make money online. AI can help you generate books, courses, and even AI-made artwork that you can sell on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Teachable. Some AI-generated products you can sell include AI-written books and guides, AI-created stock images and illustrations, AI-powered Notion templates and planners, AI-generated music and sound effects. All you need to do is create the product once, and you can sell it over and over again, generating passive income. 4. AI-powered YouTube automation. YouTube automation is one of the best ways to make money with AI. You don't even need to show your face or record your voice. AI can handle everything from script writing to video editing and even voiceovers. Here's how you can start an AI-powered YouTube channel. Use AI to generate video scripts. Create AI voiceovers with tools like Eleven Labs. Use AI video editors like Pictory to create faceless videos. Optimize videos using AI-powered SEO tools like Vidic and TubeBuddy. Monetize your videos through YouTube ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing, and watch the income grow. 5. AI-powered SaaS business. If you want to scale your earnings, starting a software-as-a-service SaaS business using AI is a game changer. Many AI tools are in demand, and you can either develop your own or use white-label AI software and sell it as your own. Examples of AI SaaS businesses you can start: AI-powered chatbots for customer service, AI social media management tools, AI-powered writing and paraphrasing tools, AI-based website builders. With subscription-based revenue, SaaS businesses can generate long-term passive income. These are the 5 best ways to make money online using AI in 2025. The AI revolution is here, and now is the perfect time to take action and start building your online income. Which of these methods are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.